Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Now these two cars are what I have bought from the vending machine recently. This Jurassic Park car is in front of this Honda N600, so I have to buy them both. It's either this or the Tech Heuer Porsche Edition something racing car. I choose this. This is much nicer, in my opinion. It is a Ingen 4x4. It looks like a Humvee shortened and with the roof chopped off. And they put a roll cage on the top. They use this to chase the dinosaur in the Jurassic World movie. And I'm not going to open this. I'm going to open this. This is the custom 1970 Honda N600. It is a typical Japanese small car, 600cc engine. And yeah, the car is very small, so we are going to open up. So this is the artwork in cream beige color. Very nice. And then we have the car. The roof is a bit dirty. Dust. Now what I like is the interior is red, so you can see the contrast in color. And also in this model, Hot Wheels have give us the front details, everything, signal lights, logo, headlights. Can you see it? And the rear, Hot Wheels give us everything, turn signal, brake lights, even the number plate. Of course they put the word Hot Wheels, there is no number. But what is ugly is the pillar inside the car, which they use for the rivet. The wheels are also extra tiny compared to normal Hot Wheels wheel. Okay, it says here. Let's have a look and you can enjoy. I hope you like this small car from Hot Wheels. Please support my channel by like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.